This is the Woodford S3 yard hydrant head. A couple things about it. It will come with that complete handle assembly, that vacuum breaker there, and a couple things to know about the head. So on the bottom side here where it will connect to the pipe, it will be that internal female thread there. We can go ahead and take a couple measurements of the head, starting with a total height. So we'll measure from where it will connect to the pipe to the top of the head here. So with that measurement, it measures right at about 10¼ inches. And then we can also get the outer and inner diameter here at those threads. So the outer diameter will measure just below 2½ inches, and the inner diameter right at the threads measuring right at about 1½ inches. And then we can also get a measurement of the handle as well. So we'll start from this end here at the bend to here, and it will measure right at about 7¼ inches. And yeah, once again, this is the Woodford S3 yard hydrant head.